It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following: runny nose in dogs, causes and what to do. Just like with people, dogs can have occasional runny noses, especially if they are prone to seasonal allergies. A little thin, clear discharge from time to time may be normal, but if it is an abnormal color, yellow, green, cloudy, or bloody, or there are other signs such as congestion, coughing, sneezing, a change in behavior, or difficulty breathing, immediate medical attention is recommended. In younger dogs, the underlying cause is more likely to be congenital, an underlying problem they were born with, infectious, or toxicity related. With older dogs, the cause is more likely to be related to a dental problem, cancer, or systemic disease. 1. What to do if your dog has a runny nose. As long as there is a small amount of clear discharge without any additional signs, just keep an eye out for signs of worsening. However, notify your vet if you notice the following: congestion or difficulty breathing, noisy breathing, discolored nasal discharge, including blood, lethargy, abnormal tiredness, coughing or coughing to the point of choking, eye discharge, anorexia, reluctance to eat, any pain or swelling in the face or nose. If your dog is overheated, there may be a clear discharge coming from the nose. Unlike humans, who sweat through their skin, temperature regulation in dogs is through their paw pads and nose. If you notice a clear discharge and your dog has recently been active or is outside in warm temperatures, move him to a cool area, preferably indoors, and be sure to provide him with water. If your dog continues to be exposed to heat, he could develop heat stroke, which is a medical emergency. 2. Causes of runny nose in dogs. A runny nose is a symptom that can encompass a wide range of causes. A runny nose in dogs can be caused by the following conditions. Allergies. In general, dogs can have allergies to fleas, to a particular food, or to allergens in the environment. A runny nose may indicate an environmental allergy. Dogs can have seasonal allergies, especially during the spring and fall, as pollen, mold, and yeast are on the rise. Congenital. Cleft palate. The roof of a dog's mouth is called the palate, and with a cleft palate, there is an opening in the middle of the roof of the mouth. This opening allows communication between the nose and mouth. Because a cleft palate can cause serious medical problems, it's important to have it seen by your vet if you suspect this condition. Foreign body or trauma. Because dogs love to have their noses to the ground, they can inadvertently inhale things like blades of grass, seeds, or small pieces of wood. You can also accidentally run into things and injure your nose. Abscess of the root of the tooth. Oronasal fistula, an abnormal passage, usually through the roof of the mouth into the nasal cavity, caused by a diseased upper tooth. Cancer. There are different types of nasal tumors in dogs, and the swelling, deformity, and irritation can cause a runny nose. Specifically, adenocarcinomas are generally located in and develop from glands that produce mucus. Due to the local aggressiveness of this type of cancer, there can be an incredible amount of damage to nasal tissue. Infections. Canine infectious respiratory disease complex, kennel cough, fungal infections, parasites, nasal mites. 2. Treatment for runny nose in dogs. Until your dog is seen by a vet, he continues to monitor him for signs of worsening. If your dog isn't eating well, he tries to heat the canned food so he can smell it better, making it more palatable. If you've noticed some congestion, as long as your dog is acting normal, you can try a humidifier to loosen up the mucus. After your pet is diagnosed, treatments will vary depending on the underlying cause, obviously after being checked out by the vet. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.